Hey, Health Clues family! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, on this channel, we dive into everything health, wellness, and mindset to help you live your best life. So, do you ever wonder why some habits are so hard to break, or why you can't seem to get that catchy song out of your head? Well, it's all thanks to repetition. Today, we're exploring why your brain loves repetition and how you can use this powerful tool to your advantage. Let's dive in. Body. First off, let's talk about how repetition works in your brain. Your brain is like a muscle. It gets stronger when you exercise it. The more you repeat something, whether it's an action, thought, or habit, the easier it becomes for your brain to perform it. This process is called neuroplasticity. It's the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. So, every time you repeat something, those neural connections strengthen, making it easier to do it again. Now, why does this matter? Well, here's where repetition becomes your best friend. Have you ever heard the saying, "Practice makes perfect"? It's true, but it goes deeper than that. When you repeat an action, your brain forms a habit loop, a cycle of cue, routine, and reward. Repeating the same behavior over and over helps solidify those pathways, making it more automatic and eventually effortless. But not just any repetition works. The quality of your repetition matters. It's all about focused repetition. This means repeating something with full attention and intention, whether you're learning a new skill, working out, or even trying to change a mindset. Your brain loves this kind of repetition because it's efficient at reinforcing the connections needed for mastery. It's like learning a new language. You're not just repeating words mindlessly, you're actively focusing on understanding and remembering them. How to use it to your advantage. So how can you use repetition to level up your life? Let's go through some practical ways to harness the power of repetition. 1. Building positive habits. Want to develop a healthy habit like exercising every day? Start small and make it non-negotiable. Studies show that if you repeat a positive action every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes, your brain starts to associate that activity with a reward, like feeling good or gaining energy. Over time, it becomes second nature. The more you repeat it, the more it sticks. 2. Positive affirmations. Using repetition in positive affirmations can help rewire your thinking. Repeating affirmations like "I am strong," "I am worthy," or "I am capable" helps your brain start to believe it. And when your brain believes something, you act on it. So, try repeating a positive affirmation each day to boost your confidence and motivation. 3. Learning a new skill. The more you repeat a new skill, the faster it becomes ingrained. Whether it's a new workout routine, cooking a new recipe, or learning a new instrument, repetition is key. Break it down into small steps and practice each step consistently. Trust me, your brain will thank you when it starts to feel easy and natural. Okay, but here's the thing. repetition isn't always positive. If you're constantly repeating negative thoughts or unhealthy habits, you'll reinforce those pathways too. So, it's super important to be mindful of what you're repeating, especially when it comes to self-talk and behaviors. Make sure you're repeating things that serve you, not things that hold you back. For example, if you're constantly telling yourself, "I can't do this," your brain will get really good at reinforcing that thought. Instead, replace it with something like, "I am learning, and I am getting better every day." Small shift, big difference. So, to recap, your brain loves repetition because it strengthens neural connections, builds habits, and makes things easier over time. You can use this to your advantage by repeating positive behaviors, affirmations, and skills. But, remember, be mindful of what you're repeating, because negative repetition can also create long-lasting habits. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll see huge changes in your life. Thank you for watching today's video on the health clues. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra motivation. Leave a comment below about what positive habit you're working on repeating in your life. Until next time, keep taking those small steps to improve your health, and I'll see you in the next video.